Hey car enthusiasts, have you ever been locked out of your car only to face an astronomical bill from your dealership for a simple key replacement? What if I told you there's a way to handle all your car key programming needs right from your garage? Today, we're diving deep into the world of professional car key programmers, where I'll share my hands-on experience with the top 7 devices that could revolutionize how you handle car key emergencies. From basic transponder programming to advanced security features, let's discover which key programmer truly deserves your investment and why some popular choices might leave you wanting more. Number 7. Xtool D7 Bidirectional OBD2 Scanner. After extensive testing of the Xtool D7, I've developed a comprehensive understanding of its capabilities and limitations. While marketed as a professional-grade diagnostic tool with key programming features, the reality falls somewhat short of expectations. The device operates on a relatively basic platform, offering standard OBD2 diagnostic functions alongside key programming capabilities. However, the interface feels outdated compared to more modern alternatives, and the navigation system could use significant improvement. During my testing period, I encountered several connectivity issues, particularly with newer vehicle models manufactured after 2020. The device would occasionally lose connection mid-programming, which could be particularly frustrating during critical operations. While the build quality is acceptable for casual use, the plastic housing doesn't inspire confidence for long-term durability in a professional workshop environment. The software aspect of the Xtool D7 presents its own set of challenges. While updates are released regularly, the installation process can be cumbersome, often requiring multiple attempts to complete successfully. This can be particularly problematic when you're trying to add support for newer vehicle models or address security system updates. The diagnostic features work reasonably well for basic troubleshooting, but the key programming functions show limited compatibility, especially with European vehicles. Customer support for the Xtool D7 has been notably lacking. During my testing period, I encountered several technical issues that required manufacturer assistance. Response times were disappointingly slow, often taking several days to receive basic technical guidance. This level of support might be inadequate for professionals who rely on quick problem resolution to maintain their workflow. 6. Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808S. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S enters the market as a comprehensive diagnostic tool with integrated key programming capabilities. During my extensive testing period, I've found it to be a device of contrasts, offering both impressive features and notable limitations. The initial setup experience is positive, with quick boot times and a responsive touchscreen interface that feels modern and professional. However, deeper testing revealed some concerning stability issues, particularly when dealing with more complex vehicle security systems. The key programming software, while comprehensive in its coverage, occasionally experiences crashes during critical operations. This can be particularly problematic when working with high-security vehicles that require precise programming sequences. The device's hardware design deserves praise for its durability and thoughtful construction. The rubberized exterior provides excellent protection against workshop accidents, and the screen remains visible even in bright outdoor conditions. The tablet-style interface is intuitive for basic operations, though the key programming features require a steeper learning curve than initially suggested. One significant consideration is the ongoing cost of ownership. The annual subscription requirement for software updates can be substantial, and some advanced programming functions require additional purchases. These hidden costs aren't always clearly communicated in the product marketing materials, which could lead to unexpected expenses for users. The diagnostic capabilities are comprehensive, offering bidirectional control and active testing features that work consistently well. However, the key programming functions often feel like they were added as an afterthought rather than being a core feature. While the device can handle basic key programming tasks adequately, more complex operations might require multiple attempts or additional equipment. Number 5. Vident iSmart 800 Pro BT Car Scanner. The Vident iSmart 800 Pro BT has proven itself to be a remarkably versatile tool in my extensive testing period. What immediately stands out is its robust Bluetooth connectivity, which maintains a stable connection even in challenging workshop environments. This wireless capability significantly enhances workflow efficiency, allowing technicians to move freely around the vehicle while maintaining constant communication with the device. The programming interface deserves special mention for its user-friendly design and logical workflow organization. During my testing, I found the step-by-step instructions particularly helpful, especially when dealing with complex programming sequences. The device's coverage of Asian and European vehicles is impressive, with particularly strong performance on Japanese and Korean makes, where it demonstrates near-perfect programming success rates. The hardware construction reflects professional-grade quality, with a durable casing that's clearly built to withstand the rigors of daily workshop use. The screen visibility is excellent, even under bright workshop lights, and the responsive touch interface makes navigation intuitive. Battery performance exceeded my expectations, consistently delivering 8 to 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge. What truly sets this device apart is its comprehensive diagnostic capabilities alongside key programming functions. The automatic VIN detection feature saves valuable time during initial setup, while the regular software updates ensure compatibility with newer vehicle models. The device's ability to handle both basic transponder programming and advanced smart key systems makes it a versatile choice for professional technicians. 4. Xtool InPlus IK618. The Xtool InPlus IK618 represents a significant evolution in key programming technology, combining sophisticated capabilities with user-friendly operation. Throughout my testing period, this device consistently demonstrated exceptional performance across a wide range of vehicles. The compact design houses powerful hardware that handles complex programming tasks with remarkable efficiency. One of the most impressive aspects is its comprehensive coverage of vehicle makes and models. The device excels at both basic transponder programming and advanced smart key systems, with a success rate that consistently exceeds 95% in my testing. The color screen provides excellent visibility and displays clear, step-by-step instructions that make even complex programming procedures accessible to technicians of varying experience levels. The built-in database is remarkably extensive, offering detailed vehicle-specific information that proves invaluable during programming sessions. Regular software updates ensure compatibility with the latest vehicle models and security systems. The ergonomic design deserves special mention. During long programming sessions, the comfortable grip and well-placed buttons prevent user fatigue. What particularly impressed me was the device's ability to handle multiple key programming tasks without requiring constant database downloads. The quick access features and intuitive menu structure significantly reduce the time needed for routine programming tasks, making it an efficient choice for busy workshops. 3. Lonsdor K518 Pro. The Lonsdor K518 Pro emerges as a sophisticated key programming solution that particularly excels with high-end vehicles. During my extensive testing period, this device consistently demonstrated superior performance, especially with luxury European brands where precision and reliability are paramount. The build quality is exceptional, featuring premium materials and robust construction that inspires confidence in professional settings. The large, high-resolution touchscreen display provides excellent visibility and responsiveness, making it easy to navigate through complex programming procedures. The device's processing power handles demanding tasks effortlessly, with notably quick calculation times for pins and passwords. This efficiency is particularly evident when working with modern vehicles equipped with sophisticated security systems. One of the standout features is its advanced remote programming capability. During testing, I successfully performed key programming operations without physical key presence on compatible vehicles, a feature that significantly expands the device's utility. The software interface is logically organized with intuitive workflows that guide users through complex procedures while providing detailed technical information when needed. The device's extensive vehicle coverage is complemented by regular software updates that add support for new models and enhance existing functionality. The integrated security features, including encrypted communication and secure token generation, provide an additional layer of professional-grade capability that justifies its position among the top performers in the market. 2. Launch X431 V Plus Pro Elite. The Launch X431 V Plus Pro Elite stands as a testament to professional-grade engineering in the key programming industry. During my comprehensive testing period, this device consistently demonstrated exceptional performance that sets new standards for professional key programming tools. The Android-based operating system provides a familiar yet powerful platform that handles multiple tasks simultaneously without any noticeable lag. The device's key programming capabilities are truly comprehensive, supporting virtually every major vehicle manufacturer with remarkable accuracy. During my testing, I successfully programmed keys for everything from standard passenger vehicles to high-end luxury cars. The high-resolution display offers exceptional clarity, making it easy to read technical diagrams and follow complex programming procedures even in challenging lighting conditions. What particularly impressed me was the device's wireless connectivity stability. The robust Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections maintained consistent performance even in busy workshop environments with potential interference. The built-in thermal printer proved invaluable for providing immediate documentation of programming procedures and diagnostic results, adding a professional touch to customer service. The software interface deserves special praise for its intuitive design and logical organization. Advanced features like remote diagnosis and programming are seamlessly integrated, making complex procedures accessible to technicians of varying experience levels. The device's ability to handle multiple programming sessions without requiring system reboots significantly improves workflow efficiency in busy workshop settings. The regular software updates ensure compatibility with the latest vehicle models and security systems, while the comprehensive online support database provides valuable technical information and programming guides. The device's multitasking capabilities allow technicians to perform diagnostics while programming keys, maximizing workshop productivity. 1. Xhorse VVDI Key Tool Plus Pad. The Xhorse VVDI Key Tool Plus Pad represents the pinnacle of key programming technology, setting new industry standards in both capability and usability. After extensive testing across hundreds of vehicles, this device consistently demonstrated unmatched performance in every aspect of key programming and security system management. The large HD touchscreen display provides exceptional clarity and responsiveness, making it easy to navigate through complex procedures while maintaining precise control. The device's processing power is truly remarkable, handling complex programming tasks with unprecedented speed and accuracy. During testing, I successfully programmed keys for multiple vehicles in rapid succession without any system slowdown or need for reboots. The wireless key chip generation feature is revolutionary, eliminating the need for physical key blanks in many cases and significantly reducing programming time and costs. The integrated database is extraordinarily comprehensive, offering detailed information for virtually every vehicle make and model. Regular over-the-air updates ensure compatibility with the latest vehicle security systems and add support for new models as they enter the market. The device's ability to clone transponders and generate remote frequencies is exceptional, providing a complete solution for any key-related task. What sets this device apart is its advanced security features and encryption capabilities. The secure token generation system ensures reliable programming even for the most sophisticated vehicle security systems. The user interface deserves special mention for its intuitive design, making complex programming procedures accessible while providing detailed technical information when needed. That's all for today, folks.